In commercial kitchens, the use of fluorescent fixtures is governed by specific safety and sanitation standards. The primary concern revolves around preventing contamination and ensuring easy cleaning. Open-type fluorescent fixtures, which expose the bulb directly, are generally not permitted in commercial kitchens. The reason for this restriction is twofold. Firstly, an open bulb poses a risk of shattering and contaminating food preparation surfaces with glass fragments. Secondly, open fixtures tend to accumulate grease, dust, and other debris, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and making thorough cleaning difficult. Enclosed fluorescent fixtures, on the other hand, provide a protective barrier around the bulb, mitigating these risks. The enclosure prevents glass shards from scattering in the event of breakage and shields the bulb from direct exposure to airborne contaminants. These fixtures are typically designed with smooth, easily cleanable surfaces, allowing for effective sanitation practices. Building codes and health regulations typically mandate the use of enclosed light fixtures in commercial kitchens to uphold food safety standards. Compliance with these regulations is crucial to avoid penalties and ensure the health and well-being of consumers. When selecting enclosed fluorescent fixtures for a commercial kitchen, several factors should be considered. Firstly, the type of enclosure material. Options include polycarbonate, acrylic, and glass. Polycarbonate is a durable and impact-resistant choice, while acrylic offers good light transmission. Glass enclosures are also suitable, provided they are shatter-resistant. Secondly, the ingress protection, or IP, rating of the fixture. The IP rating indicates the level of protection against dust and moisture. For commercial kitchens, a minimum IP rating of I65 is generally recommended, signifying protection against dust and water jets. Thirdly, the light output and color temperature. Adequate lighting is essential for food preparation and inspection. A color temperature of around 4000 to 5000 Kelvin provides a bright, natural light that enhances visibility. The placement of fluorescent fixtures is also an important consideration. Fixtures should be positioned to provide uniform illumination across all work surfaces, minimizing shadows and glare. Proper spacing between fixtures ensures adequate light levels and reduces the strain on workers' eyes. Regular maintenance is essential to keep fluorescent fixtures in optimal condition. This includes cleaning the enclosures periodically to remove accumulated grease and debris, replacing burnt-out bulbs promptly, and inspecting wiring connections for any signs of damage. A well-maintained lighting system not only enhances safety and sanitation, but also improves energy efficiency. In addition to enclosed fluorescent fixtures, other lighting options may be suitable for commercial kitchens, depending on the specific requirements and design of the space. These include LED fixtures, which offer energy efficiency and long lifespan, and vapor-tight fixtures, which are designed to withstand harsh environments with high humidity and temperature fluctuations. Regardless of the type of lighting fixture chosen, it is crucial to ensure that it meets all applicable safety and sanitation standards. Consulting with a qualified electrician or lighting specialist is recommended to determine the best lighting solution for a particular commercial kitchen application. They can assess the specific needs of the space, recommend appropriate fixtures, and ensure proper installation and compliance with regulations. Furthermore, understanding the local building codes and health regulations is paramount. These codes often specify minimum lighting levels, fixture requirements, and other safety standards that must be adhered to. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in fines, closure of the kitchen, and potential legal liabilities. In summary, open-type fluorescent fixtures are generally not permitted in commercial kitchens due to the risk of contamination and difficulty in cleaning. Enclosed fluorescent fixtures, along with other suitable lighting options, should be selected based on factors such as enclosure material, IP rating, light output, and color temperature. Proper placement, regular maintenance, and compliance with built-in codes and health regulations are essential to ensure a safe, sanitary, and efficient lighting system in a commercial kitchen. Remember to always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to local regulations when installing or maintaining lighting systems in commercial kitchens. This ensures the safety of both workers and consumers and contributes to the overall success of the food service operation. The selection of appropriate lighting fixtures also plays a role in creating a comfortable and productive work environment. Adequate lighting can reduce eye strain, improve visibility, and enhance the overall atmosphere of the kitchen. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced errors, and improved employee morale. In addition to functionality, aesthetics may also be a consideration in some commercial kitchen settings. While safety and sanitation remain the top priorities, the appearance of the lighting fixtures can contribute to the overall design and ambience of the space. Choosing fixtures that complement the kitchen's style and decor can create a more visually appealing and welcoming environment. Ultimately, the goal is to create a lighting system that meets all the necessary requirements while also enhancing the functionality, safety, and aesthetics of the commercial kitchen. A well-designed and properly maintained lighting system is an essential component of a successful and compliant food service operation, and it's important to remember that regulations may change over time, so staying informed about the latest updates and requirements is crucial for ensuring ongoing compliance. Regularly reviewing building codes and health regulations and consulting with industry professionals can help you stay ahead of the curve and maintain a safe and compliant commercial kitchen environment. Finally, consider the long-term cost implications of different lighting options. While enclosed fluorescent fixtures may have a higher initial cost than open-type fixtures, they can offer long-term savings through reduced maintenance, improved energy efficiency, and increased lifespan. LED fixtures, in particular, are known for their energy efficiency and long lifespan, making them a cost-effective choice for many commercial kitchen applications. By carefully considering all the factors involved, you can make informed decisions about the lighting system in your commercial kitchen that will provide long-term benefits in terms of safety, sanitation, efficiency, and cost savings. And always prioritize safety and compliance to protect the health and well-being of everyone involved. Remember that the information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to local regulations when making decisions about lighting systems in commercial kitchens. They are essential for ensuring compliance with regulations. Considering energy efficiency is also important. By utilizing energy-efficient lighting solutions such as LED fixtures, commercial kitchens can reduce their energy consumption and lower their operating costs. Energy-efficient lighting also helps to reduce the environmental impact of the kitchen's operations. Additionally, proper lighting design can contribute to improved worker productivity and reduced errors. Adequate lighting levels and proper light distribution can enhance visibility and reduce eye strain, leading to a more comfortable and efficient work environment. This can result in fewer mistakes and increased overall productivity. Furthermore, regular maintenance of the lighting system is essential to ensure its continued performance and safety. This includes cleaning the fixtures regularly to remove dust and debris, replacing burnt-out bulbs promptly, and inspecting the wiring and connections for any signs of damage. A well-maintained lighting system not only provides optimal illumination but also reduces the risk of electrical hazards. In addition to the technical aspects of lighting, it's also important to consider the psychological effects of lighting on workers and customers. Different types of lighting can create different moods and atmospheres, which can impact people's perceptions and behaviors. For example, warm lighting can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool lighting can create a more energetic and stimulating environment. By carefully considering the psychological effects of lighting, commercial kitchens can create a more positive and enjoyable experience for both workers and customers. Ultimately, the goal is to create a lighting system that meets all the necessary requirements while also enhancing the functionality, safety, aesthetics, and psychological well-being of everyone involved. A well-designed and properly maintained lighting system is an essential component of a successful and compliant commercial kitchen. Remember that lighting technology is constantly evolving, with new and innovative solutions being developed all the time. Staying informed about the latest advancements in lighting can help commercial kitchens to make informed decisions about their lighting systems and take advantage of the benefits that new technologies offer. Consulting with lighting experts and attending industry events can provide valuable insights into the latest trends and best practices in commercial kitchen lighting. And it's important to remember that lighting is not just about providing illumination. It's also about creating a safe, comfortable, and productive environment for workers and enhancing the overall experience for customers. By taking a holistic approach to lighting, commercial kitchens can maximize the benefits of their lighting systems and create a positive impact on their operations. Consider the specific tasks that are performed in different areas of the kitchen. For example, food preparation areas require bright, even lighting to ensure accurate cutting and measuring. Cooking areas may benefit from task lighting that focuses on specific work surfaces. Dishwashing areas may require moisture-resistant fixtures to withstand the damp environment. By tailoring the lighting to the specific needs of each area, commercial kitchens can optimize their lighting systems and improve overall efficiency. Also, the color rendering index, or CRI, of the lighting fixtures. The CRI measures how accurately a light source renders colors compared to natural sunlight. A higher CRI indicates more accurate color rendering. In commercial kitchens, a CRI of 80 or higher is generally recommended to ensure that food colors are accurately displayed. This is important for both food preparation and presentation. When selecting lighting fixtures, it's important to consider the CRI rating to ensure that the lighting meets the specific needs of the kitchen. In addition, consider the glare control of the lighting fixtures. Glare can cause eye strain and discomfort, reducing worker productivity and increasing the risk of accidents. Lighting fixtures with good glare control minimize the amount of direct light that reaches the eyes, creating a more comfortable and productive work environment. There are several ways to control glare, including using shielded fixtures, diffusing the light, and adjusting the angle of the fixtures. By taking steps to control glare, commercial kitchens can improve the overall quality of their lighting systems. Lastly, consider the ease of maintenance of the lighting fixtures. Commercial kitchens are busy environments, and it's important to choose fixtures that are easy to clean and maintain. Fixtures with smooth, non-porous surfaces are easier to clean and less likely to accumulate dirt and debris. Additionally, fixtures with readily available replacement parts are easier to repair and maintain. By considering the ease of maintenance of the lighting fixtures, commercial kitchens can minimize downtime and reduce maintenance costs. Remember to think about the emergency lighting requirements for commercial kitchens. Emergency lighting is required to provide illumination in the event of a power outage or other emergency situation. Emergency lighting fixtures should be clearly marked and easily accessible. They should also be tested regularly to ensure that they are functioning properly. By complying with the emergency lighting requirements, commercial kitchens can ensure the safety of workers and customers in the event of an emergency.